In this video, we're going to have a discussion around what I would do and how I would approach Euclidean geometry questions. And what I do is, as I read information, I like to fill in as I go to make it easier for when I get to the questions. And so O is the center of the circle, and so immediately I'll fill in my two radii. I then know that CDE is a tangent, and so what's buzzing through my mind is that a radius is perpendicular to a tangent, and so you've got those two 90 degrees there. And then they say let DB bisects angle ABC, and they want B1 to be X. So if it bisects, these are both X. The other thing that I'm thinking at the moment is that this would be X because I've got an isosceles triangle, and if you wanted, you could then call this 2x because of exterior angle of triangle. But let's not rush ahead of ourselves. And so prove that BC is parallel to OD. And so what you've got so far is you've got 2x here. This is 2x as well, like I said, because it's the exterior angle. And so the angle up here, if I had to simplify the picture, you've got a 2x at the top here and a 2x below this line. Therefore, they are parallel, reason, converse corresponding angles. How would you prove that C is 90? This would be quite an easy one now, because you've proved that these are parallel. And even if you couldn't prove they're parallel, you could use that in the next question and say, assume that this is parallel to that, so that you're not utterly stuffed if you get the first question wrong. So if they are parallel, then if this is 90, this would be 90 for the exact same corresponding reason, just looking the opposite direction. So I hope that you found that helpful as a discussion around how to approach Euclidean geometry. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends. Thanks.